After a sharp decline in benchmark indices, Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty, we have seen a decline of around 2% in Nifty and approximately 3% in Bank Nifty. This was previous week, and this week, last week, we have seen a sharp reversal. So the trend is changing. Is it true? Is it the selling pressure that we have seen in the previous sessions, previous week? Is that over, or are we heading for new highs? Everything is fine. Now markets have settled. There is no need for any volatility. There is no need of any panic. To discuss this, let's review the chart, especially when Nifty 50 has given a sharp reversal about 800 points, and in Bank Nifty we have seen a reversal about 1200 points. So let's review and try to analyze and try to see what lies next. Here is the daily chart of Nifty Bank. Let's start with Nifty, the main benchmark index first. So as we have been discussing, the Nifty 50 index is consistently holding the 100 DMA support that we have been witnessing. Not only this time, it has been holding it from a long time. We have seen a sharp reversal in the mid of April, and the recent reversal, especially on Monday, when there was a formation of a hammer that took place near 100 DMA, we can clearly see this 100 DMA level is becoming a very crucial support for the market. Now, after a sharp decline, after a decline of nearly 3%, we can clearly see on the chart that a decline like this, a straight fall of nearly 1% in couple of sessions, then there is a sharp recovery. What I mean to say is recovery is this rebound is logical, or is this reversal is going to be a sustainable reversal? Looking at the chart where the index has taken support at 100 DMA, we see a formation of a hammer pattern, and there is a sharp upside. There is a spinning top in the middle, but after the spinning top, we have seen a sharp reversal that also formed hammer. So usually in technical analysis, whenever there is a candlestick pattern hammer which comes at a lower range of the trading, we see a sharp reversal. It's a positive indication when you see a hammer at the lower end of the trend. To look at last week trend, what we can see is nearly 5 candles have closed in green, and there was only one candle which was on Wednesday which closed in red. So this indicates a strong momentum in play. So will this momentum get carried forward in the coming week? Are we heading for a new high? We have drawn a trend line, as we have been discussing, connecting the tops, connecting the higher highs, and this is heading towards, at this point, is indicating a level of 23,000. So is this index heading toward 22,000? I would say yes. One of the major reason why this index is heading higher is, if you look at the broader perspective, we take a broader outlook, we look at what is happening on a little bit longer time frame. What we can clearly see is a formation like higher high, higher low clearly suggests the market has regained momentum at the recent lows, because the broader market, the broader trend suggests higher high, higher low formation. So the current trend which has reversed from Monday is definitely indicating a move towards a new all-time high, a new higher high. So what could be the new higher high at this point of time? The recent high was 22,794. So this market is heading to cross this level, cross the level that was printed, that was touched, that was claimed recently, which made a new high. So this is the level, this is the high which was printed, which was hit, which was clicked, which is around 22,794. So this market is heading to cross this level. Now another perspective that we can consider here is, will this happen in a matter of time? Will it take time, or this is going to go straight away up? It's very difficult to analyze such situation, but looking at the overall picture and looking at the formations like hammer, looking at the formations wherein you have a week where most of the candle closing positive territory. There could be a scenario where market can find itself in a relaxed mode. It can relax and then give a upside, but overall trend remains positive, and this index is heading towards 23,000. It can even surpass 23,000 levels. On the downside, the initial support comes around 22 levels, followed by the recent low which comes around 22,800 levels. So major supports are 22,800, 22,000 levels, and we see this index heading towards 23. It can even surpass and reach to 23,500 level. Now let's look at and consider what is happening on the other major index. When you look at the Indian market, the other major index is Bank Nifty. So let's review and check what scenario is getting established on the Bank Nifty chart. For the Bank Nifty, we have seen a continuous decline, which was around, we have seen around 7 candles turning in red. We have a correction of nearly 3%. And this market, which we have been discussing, holding 100 DMA, it has been holding since February, end of the February, that it again gave us support in March, then again gave us support in April. And the recent major correction, why we are saying it's a major correction, क्योंकि यहाँ पे continuously 7-8 कैंडल रेड में फॉर्म हुई है. इतना प्रेशर आने के बाद भी मार्केट ने जो 100 डीएमए है उसका सपोर्ट लेके एक रिवर्सल देने की कोशिश की है. दिस रिवर्सल, जहाँ पे भी रिवर्सल हुई है, विच वॉज मंडे, देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन. ये जो कैंडल हो रही है, ये जो कैंडल का फॉर्मेशन अगर आप देखोगे, इट्स अ कैंडल जहाँ पे व्हाट वी कैन सी, ये जो कैंडल फॉर्म हुई है, इट्स अ एनगल्फिंग कैंडल. सो टेक्निकली जब भी एनगल्फिंग फॉर्मेशंस होते हैं, एनगल्फिंग का मतलब क्या है कि प्रीवियस कैंडल के मूव को, मेजर मूव को, उसका जो बॉडी बोलते हैं, बॉडी इज ओपन एंड द क्लोज. तो बॉडी को अगर अपनी कैंडल जो इमीडिएट कैंडल एनगल्फ करती है, इट्स अ पॉजिटिव इंडिकेशन. तो यहाँ पे मंडे को सेम सिनारियो बना है, जहाँ पे मंडे को फ्राइडे की कैंडल का एनगल्फिंग हुआ है. टोटल जो मेजर सेलिंग प्रेशर था, लेवल था, रेंज था, उसको एंगल करके एक पॉजिटिव ट्रेंड दिया है. ऑन Thursday we have seen a formation of a doji. Now in market there are 2-3 types of doji. You have normal doji, then you have gravestone doji, then you have long leg doji, then you have another doji which close at the top of the level. So this doji which has closed at the higher end of the range, it indicates a positive turnaround. यहाँ पे एक लो नीचे जाने की कोशिश की, वो कोशिश फेल हो गई, सेलर्स फेल हो गए, बायर्स आ गए, और बायर्स ने एक स्ट्रॉन्ग क्लोजिंग देके पॉजिटिव क्लोज दिया है. सो ये मोमेंटम जो लास्ट 2 दिन में हुआ है, इट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग मोमेंटम. ये मार्केट के इंडिकेशंस के हिसाब से अगर हम लोग इसमें भी एक बड़ा फॉर्मेशन देखें, जो हम लोग बोलते हैं कि हायर हाई हायर लोज फॉर्मेशन हो रहे, तो ये मार्केट में भी बैंक निफ्टी इंडेक्स भी हायर हाई हायर लो के फॉर्मेशन में अभी एक रिसेंट लो बनाया है. तो नेक्स्ट मोमेंटम कि ये नया हाई जाके बनाए. अभी रिसेंट का जो हाई है वो करीबन 49,974. तो लुकिंग एट द फॉर्मेशन जो चार्ट्स पे हो रहे हैं, वी डेफिनेटली सी कि बैंक निफ्टी एक नया हाई करने के लिए जा रहा है. दिस माइट नॉट कम वेरी सून. ऐसा नहीं होता कि हर मोमेंटम नीचे हाई, एक नया हाई करे, फिर नया लो करे और फिर तुरंत ही नए हाई के लिए जाए. इट इज़ वेरी रेयरली. इट कैन गो साइडवेज. मार्केट थोड़ा, बैंक निफ्टी थोड़ा इतना गिरा है, अराउंड 3% का करेक्शन देके ये इंडेक्स रिवाइवल दिखा रहा है, तो इट कैन गो साइडवेज. थोड़ा साइडवेज मोमेंटम भी आ सकता है बैंक निफ्टी में, बट ओवरऑल सिनारियो है कि ये ऊपर की तरफ ही जा रहा है, एक नया हाई की तरफ ही बैंक निफ्टी जा रहा है. यहाँ पे बैंक निफ्टी जब तक 100 डीएमए को डिसिसिवली ब्रेक नहीं करते, एटलीस्ट वी नीड टू सी 2 to 3 क्लोजिंग बिलो 100 डीएमए, तभी जाके हम बोल सकते हैं कि अभी मार्केट में वीकनेस आ रहा है. अभी तक तो कोई सिनारियो नहीं दिख रहा है. 100 डीएमए पे सपोर्ट ले रहा है. वी आर सीइंग अ रिबाउंड, अ रिवर्सल इन ट्रेंड, और ये ट्रेंड जाके नए हाई पे जा रहा है. So both the index at this momentum are looking very positive. We remain bullish on the market. I hope you found this video insightful. If yes, please do like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends and family.